Hey, what's up everybody? Today I've been working on the Tundra. I gave her a quick bath and don't look too close, I missed a whole bunch of spots. But we're going to be installing some new parts. We got a set of floor mats from Lasfit here. They sent these over and they are specifically for the Crew Max. They are 3D scanned and specific for the Crew Max, which I'm pretty excited about because it's supposed to cover more area than the factory floor mats. And that's because I have an 8-year-old daughter that just absolutely destroys the truck. I don't even know what these are. They look like cattail buds, but hopefully helps out a little bit in the back, as well as over here on the passenger side. As soon as anybody gets in my truck, this thing just flies forward. It's like shoved way up there, and there's this whole section exposed here. I know, I haven't vacuumed out in like 6 months. That's why we're doing this today. So let's stitch those factory floor mats. If you can't tell, this is where my daughter sits. She's got the sparklers, water bottles, random trash, and then just a whole bunch of garbage on the floor here. I'm gonna vacuum all this junk up and I'll come back when it's all nice and clean. Well, if spending the last 15 minutes vacuuming out the truck taught me anything, it's that the truck is disgusting. And I also need to let my daughter know not to put her feet on the back of the seat. The best looking floor is the passenger seat here, probably because nobody sits there. Followed up at the driver's side because I'm not a savage. I'm gonna start with the passenger seat since this is the one I'm most excited about. Yo! Look at how well that fits, right up to the edge. It doesn't slide. That is super sweet. I'm stoked on that one. Here comes the back seat. Probably should go in the other way. Man, those fit so good. I don't know if it really showed it on camera, but that just like slipped in. Really no movement. And a lot more coverage too. Last but not least, we got the driver's seat coming on in. So what you can do as well is these bend a little bit, so you can reshape them to kind of get back and flush a little more. They are squeezed a little in the packaging, so you can kind of work them back into the shape. This is the only one that I'd say right out of the box isn't a perfect fit, but we can definitely clean that up. Super stoked on these. So after just a little bit of poking and prodding, fits nicely up into the center console area, and the rest of it doesn't really slide around. It's got the 2 retention clips like I said, so it's not going anywhere. It's not gonna slide up under the pedals. Really, really happy with these. So huge thank you to Lasfit for sending me out these floor mats. I'm really stoked with how they fit in the truck, and I can't wait to see how they hold up to my daughter. That's going to be the real test. If you're interested in a long-term review of these, I'll go ahead and update you in about 6 months. In addition to floor mats, Lasfit also does a whole bunch of LED conversion kits, as well as light bars, and a whole bunch of things for Tesla, which is pretty cool. So I'll leave a link down below to check them out. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage. See you in the next one.